So one day you decide to update all your plugins. Then you come across a particular plugin that has a red warning saying that you cannot update this particular plugin because you do not have the correct PHP version on your server. Here in another example, on this website, WordPress website, we're trying to update the WordPress core to 5.22, but we are not allowed to do so because we have the incorrect version of PHP. Okay, this particular client uses Bluehost for their website, so you log in. We must log into the CPanel, so go and log in with your credentials. Once you have entered your CPanel, scroll down. What we are looking for is PHP config, and here it is, PHP config under programming. Now if you use another web hosting CPanel, the PHP config may be located under another category. Once you're inside your PHP configuration page, you see a list of PHP versions you can choose. I will choose the latest version. Click on PHP 7.3, hit Save Changes. Now, it may take the server a few minutes or a while to reconfigure to the latest version, so you need to get back to your website and see if you can update your plugins. Now I'm going to show you a plugin that can quickly and easily show you the version of PHP that you have on your server. See, it will go right in that area or highlighted. So let's go to add new plugin. Type in display PHP version. Display PHP version. Click on install. Activate. Wait a few moments. Let's see. There it is. Activated. Now you go up to your dashboard. And there it is. Now running PHP version 5, which needs to be updated. So we are not in the correct version at this time. Now that to verify that our PHP version is the correct version so we can do updates, we need to go back to our website, check our plugins. But as you can see, we are not there yet. So we need to fix it, and the next video will show you how to do that. To fix this problem, we need to download the htaccess file from your server, and we use 2 FTP apps that can do this. Now you may ask, why can't I use the cPanel? Because most hosting cPanels will not reveal or show the hidden files such as the htaccess file. So there's a way to do it, but it's kind of complicated. So I think the best way is to use a FTP program such as FileZilla or CyberDuck, which are both free. And the second tool you will need is a text editor, because you cannot use a word processor to edit these files. You need a real text editor. And Windows has a built-in text editor called Notepad. Mac also has a text editor called TextEdit. There are also 3 third-party editors that you can download and use if you prefer. Now that you have your choice of FTP programs open, using your login credentials from your web hosting provider, log into your FTP account, and you should see your website files on your right. And make sure if you have multiple websites or URLs, you select the right website, and on your left, make sure you know where you're downloading the file. So you can either grab the htaccess file to your left and drag it over, or you can right click and click download to download the file. And let's see, and there it is, downloaded. We are ready to edit the file. Now we are ready to open the htaccess file we just downloaded into our text editor to edit the file. Now I'm using Visual Studio Code. Whatever you are using, open the file and look for the line that says Add Handler Application. As you can see, I'm locked at the old PHP 5.6, so that needs to be changed to 7.3. As you remember, on the Bluehost server, we changed it to 7.3. Now this line 5 is a comment. You need not do nothing, but if you want, you can add 7.3 here also. And once everything looks good, you need to save your file. On Visual Studio Code, it's Control S, and it's ready to upload back to the server. Okay, the first thing we want to do to upload our file is go up to View and refresh the page so we show the current version of the htaccess file. Make sure we're on the right domain. You can either drag the file to your right or right click and hit Upload. Overwrite OK as we overwrite the file, and you can check if it's correct by looking at the time and date as compared to your computer's information, and that should do it. Now log back into your website, or if your website is already logged in, refresh your page, and look, the plugin that we could not update is ready to be updated. So I am updating the plugin now, and it's successful. So now let's check if the display PHP version plugin shows that we have the updated PHP on our server. There it is, 7.3.8. For clients that are using Hostgator, log into your control panel. Make sure your control panel and not webmail. Input your credentials and log in. Okay, once we're into the cPanel, scroll down. What we are looking for is the PHP selector. I believe in Hostgator CPanel is under, I believe it's software. So keep going down, and here we are, software. There it is, software PHP selector. Click on that link and read into the PHP configuration. See, right now it's 5.6. Now I had already updated it to 7.0 earlier, but let's go up to the latest version, 7.1. Click update, and it has been processed for PHP 7.1. So let's wait a few minutes and then let's check our verification in our website. Now let's go back to the dashboard of a website that's on Hostgator, and we can see that we have PHP version 7.1.14. Now how did we see this now? Remember, installed a plugin called Display PHP Version, where we can simply see what our server PHP version that we have.